Hello friends, welcome to the education. So today we will learn atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere,
And what are the layers of atmosphere? So please
so
start.
what are the four domains of the earth? The four domains of the earth are hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So can you tell the layers of the atmosphere?
So first, explain about lithosphere,
Okay.
hydrosphere, and biosphere.
Okay, what is a hydrosphere? Hydrosphere means water. Hydrosphere means water, which everyone needs, every survival needs for the survival. So hydrosphere is water, and what is the next?
Lithosphere
Lithosphere is land,
and biosphere.
and biosphere means you know that we can live here. In Earth is a habitable zone.
Habitable.
Yeah, it is an habitable zone. In anywhere where we can live, Earth we can live. So this is an habitable zone. So
And-
this is known as biosphere.
And atmosphere, that you all know that the air, the different components in air like carbon dioxide, oxygen. So now let us talk about what are the layers of the atmosphere. Now there are different and many layers of the atmosphere. Now let us discuss. So our first layer name is troposphere.
Troposphere is okay. I will give an example. So this is an Earth. So this is an Earth. So where is the troposphere? Can you tell?
So troposphere is here.
Troposphere is, please make a line. So this is a troposphere where only parachutes can go. Their parachutes go for enjoying.
Yes, for enjoyment, for seeing the nature and
Please
etc.
make a line.
So now another is stratosphere.
Another is stratosphere. This is the line of stratosphere.
Yes.
Stratosphere. Please write the name. Stratosphere. In stratosphere, there we aeroplanes arrive. Our aeroplanes, if we want to this country to this country, so we go from stratosphere from aeroplane. So please, what is the next one?
So our next one is mesosphere. So in this layer, asteroids. Now when asteroids come into our Earth's atmosphere, so this asteroids burn here.
Okay, we can tell this is an orbit.
So here in this atmosphere, so in this layer of atmosphere, the asteroids which come and
Crash to our Earth, it burns there. In this time. So what is the last word? What is the last one?
So our next one is thermosphere.
Thermosphere. Thermosphere is that where asteroids move. Means where orbit of the Earth is known as the what? Thermosphere. It is very
So in
close to the orbit.
thermosphere, yes, you are almost right. And the spaceships which go and
Space
which
shuttles.
almost the space shuttles go and mostly settle there, and the asteroids come and do many such experiments. So they do almost some experiments in this thermosphere.
Now after that the last is our exosphere, which is a space. Our exosphere is a space where all the universe is there.
So this is our last atmosphere, which is
Exosphere.
so in this layer of atmosphere, you know that satellites, when we get the TV connection from the satellites. So this satellites are present in the exosphere,
From that we get TV, everything.
and even on this layer of exosphere, we have some gravitational force. So because of that only, the satellite is able to orbit our Earth.
If any, so this is the last. If any asteroid moves here, so the Earth's
Gravitational force.
will not reach there.
Yes.
It will be only reached till here. Here also it will be very little. So please
Yes.
this point.
So please.
Next is that the southern hemisphere. In south, what you know, the south, east, west, north, and south. In the south, which country is there? Which is entirely spread there? In southern hemisphere, there is Australia and Asia. Oh, sorry, Australia and Antarctica, which is fully spread in southern hemisphere.
Yes.
Okay, can I tell next point?
So now this layers are very important, and you need to also by heart this layers of atmosphere. So please.
Okay, I will tell that the 7 continents of the earth. Okay, there are so 237 more than this, the earth countries in that. So in this 7, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, and Africa, South Africa, and North America. This 6 binds total 29% of the earth. Only this 6 binds 29% of the earth. Asia also.
Okay, so for this video, we have learned about what are the domains of the earth and what are the layers of the earth. What are the layers? So you know, in this video, we have discussed what are the domains of the earth, like lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. So we have in this 4, we have discussed what are the layers, what are the different layers of the atmosphere. Okay, so let us repeat this layers name, which is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. So these are the some layers of atmosphere. So now we have also explained what are the 7 continents which binds 21% of the Earth's gravitational force. So please wash your hands, please be safe from coronavirus, and please also like our video, subscribe our channel Education King, and also wash your hands for 20 seconds every day. So bye bye.